Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this wireless adapter for CarPlay or Android Auto into your car, which I think that it's really nice. You get the user manual with all the important information about it, how to connect it, all the capability, and everything. Okay, we get the proper main unit that, as you can see, it's quite small. You just have to connect it to a USB A port, or if your car doesn't have one, you get a adapter to use it with the USB Type C. Okay, I'm just gonna plug it in like this because my car just have the USB A, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. Now that it's plugged in and you can see that it turns on, I'm gonna go ahead upon my cell phone and connect it through Bluetooth. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it's pairing up. We can see the green light that it's working. And as you can see, we can have in here in the screen all the controls of the music. From Spotify, we can go to maps, take on calls and everything. And well, let's go ahead and give it a ride. Okay guys, something that I think that it's great about this kind of adapters is that you can just be driving without having to have your cell phone at hand, and you can be controlling the music, going up to Google Maps and everything, start a trip. Okay, you can see you have the map giving you the directions that are needed, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's great because, as I've said, you can control the Spotify, all the different applications with your cell phone wirelessly and not having the hassle of connecting, disconnecting a cable, which I think that it's nice. And overall, I think that it's great, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.